Bro, I'm going crazy because our Harry with Wien's inverse head and shoulders, I mean exactly this one with a lot of hairs and some Wiens worked out. We broke our resistance line to the upside. Our price target is here exactly at 93k, but I have extreme good news and I have extreme bad news for you. Which you want to hear first? Will we hear the good or bad news? Because the crazy thing is I'm still my $3.3 million trade. Some of them turned green as you see it here. It looks amazing, but please don't be jealous because I exited. I closed one of my altcoins position. I closed this altcoin position exactly, and now you see it here, exactly $116,000 in a loss, $116,000 loss on another exchange, 20k in a loss, so around $140,000 in a loss. I will explain you also with altcoins. I have so many news for you. So first of all, we have here, we start with the good news. So we are heading to 93k, our big price tag. 93k is our big price tag. So this big, huge, extreme inverse head and shoulders with Wiens worked out. That's amazing. And we have another nice thing is the Fibonacci. Don't ask what the Fibonacci is. It doesn't matter because if we pull it up here from the up to the downside, the bigger price target is still at 97k as you see it here. So this is fine. And now switch. We are on the 15-minute, but we're switching right now on the 1 hourly time frame, and now it's getting so interested. And now I know you're getting how it called you getting hyped like me, you getting erection like me, because we have to extend this huge rising broadening wedge, which is a bearish pattern, but we have extend this line because we don't know how high we can go, and you go crazy if I tell you how high we can go. Okay, wait, chill, bro. We are extending this line exactly. We still have the touch points. Yesterday, by the way, look how perfectly, look at this beautiful touch. Pop, 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 pop. We didn't broke it down, but we little bit touched it on, like, boom. You know, that's so nice. I woke up with so good, with so nice mood. And what we see, the bigger, so one of the first, we have three price tags, 93k from this inverse dick head and shoulders. Then we have 97k from the Fibonacci. And now, wait. Okay, come, I tell you now, because I have so much news for you to prepare. Wait, no, I show you first this one. Look at this. Bitcoin's weekly RSI hit 73k. So 73k. So weekly RSI had 73. Doesn't matter if you don't know what's our RSI is, relative strength index, but it hit 73. As you see it here. You see here 73. Do you see my cursor? You don't see my cursor. Oh shit. Wait a minute, I have to put on that you see my cursor. So show cursor. You see here, we had 73. And the nice thing is typically it means we should see another pump. Look at this. We saw in November, we hit 73 and then we saw a pump. We saw it in October, we hit 73 and like new pump, neue pump. Then in May, we hit 73 RSI. Bro, and we have in 2 days Nvidia earnings, you know, this company, Nvidia, CPU, GPU, HUIPU. The nice thing is the earnings expected to be higher than expected. The forecast is high, so probably we see a massive pump. And the price target, I show you in a second the price target, because it's getting crazy. Because look at this, bro, look at this. We see the total crypto market cap, the total. So all the crypto market, Bitcoin, all your shit coins, all this shit coin, Bitcoin, everything included, and we breaking the previous all-time high. So we are right now in the true all-time high. This is the all-time high from 2021, and we breaking it just right now in this minute to the upside. And in the history, when we broke the previous all-time high, you see it here, what happened as soon as we broke it, we saw to the upside again. So I'm expecting here a crazy, like the rocket of Elon Musk's, we going higher. We are going higher. I'm pretty sure, bro, because the price target, now we're coming to the price target, then we're coming to the bad news, then we're speaking quickly about altcoins. The price target would be here, the big price target of this ascending, rising, broadening wedge would be at 103k. No, it's higher. Wait, this would be the past. It would be here at, blood, I have even to zoom out. It would be at 104 for between 104 and 105k. Depends how long, because the longer we need to climb up, the higher the price will be, the higher will be the price target. So we are right now on the 1 hourly, so it could be even here at 110. And you remember I told you the big price target is at 120 in the short term, 120. As long as we're not breaking, I'm speaking right now about the very bad news, as long as we're not speaking this support line at $89,000. This is important. And now the bad news. If we are hitting here 100, 105, 110, then it's beautiful. But as long as we're not breaking out of this ascending, rising, broadening wedge, this orange, huge shit, as long as we're not breaking out of this piece of crap, then it's still in play. And the bearish price target you measure from the last top touch point, hopefully you are reaching 100k, to the first low touch point, and then in case we're breaking this shit down, then the price target would be Bitcoin at 69k. So we would see a drop of Bitcoin price from 100 to 69. It would be drop of 35%. And the crazy thing is, should I tell you something, 35% is nothing. In a bull run, usually we see these drops of 30, 40, sometimes even 50%, so it would be totally fine. But please, let Bitcoin go to 100k first, because then my trades, my $3.3 million trades, would be amazingly green. And this is what we want. We want this, you want this, I want this, everyone wants this. So please, first let hit. And now we speak quickly about altcoins, because the altcoin season is starting right now. You don't have to understand this chart. It looks complicated, but just watch this one finger hand, two finger hand. You see, boom, always when it's inversing, so always when it start go up, it means altcoin season. You see, altcoin season is starting. It go up, it reverse, it go up, altcoin. You see, it reverse. And right now, you see, it's exactly the same happening. It reversing, so it means altcoin season is here right now. And also on this big shit, this I mean, we have to be honest. This is a crazy chart, because the right pattern would be like this to draw. Leck mich doch am Arsch. Woo! Look at this one. It's straight to the upside, and this is bullish for our altcoins, because as soon as we start to drop and it's dropping already, this is the Bitcoin dominance, which is at 60%. As soon as we're dropping here at 57%, it means the money is going in the altcoins, and price target is the bottom of the wedge, so at 40%. So 40% of all the total crypto market cap, so all the money would be in Bitcoin, but 60% altcoins, which would pump our bags. And yes, and today in the morning when I woke up, I closed my fat position and went into render position, which is an AI coin, which is already $30,000 in a loss. Amazing. I'm genius, worst trader in the world. Hopefully it will work out. My price tag is here around $9.66, which could happen the next 4 days. Hopefully. Then I would be 300k in profit and would make up my $150,000 loss. Thank you everyone for watching. Kiss you and see you later. Mwah.